Welcome to the International Linguist Association channel, where we learn languages the easy way by listening and speaking along. This is lesson 26 of the Learn French vocabulary series, and today we will be looking at vocabulary related to law and government terms. Your journey so far is a testament to your perseverance and effort. Keep going strong. You're doing fantastic. Let's start off with the vocabulary set. Law. La loi. Court. Le tribunal. Judge. Le juge. Lawyer. L'avocat ou l'avocate. Police. La police. Government. Le gouvernement. Citizen. Le citoyen ou la citoyenne. Election. L'élection. Vote. Le vote. Tax. L'impôt. Maire. Le maire. Prison. La prison. Trial. Le procès. Fine. L'amende. Rights. Les droits. Crime. Le crime. Justice. La justice. Senator. Le sénateur ou la sénatrice. Congress. Le congrès. Attorney. L'avocat ou l'avocate. Legislation. That is the first set. Please feel free to rewind and revise as required. Now let's move on to the medium difficulty set. La législation. Constitution. La Constitution. Amendment. L'amendement. Jurisdiction. La juridiction. Prosecution. La poursuite. Plaintiff. Le plaignant ou la plaignante. Defendant. Le défendeur ou la défendresse. Arbitration. L'arbitrage. Bail. La caution. Subpoena. La citation à comparaître. Indictment. L'inculpation. Affidavit. L'affidavit. Verdict. Le verdict. Appeal. L'appel. Statute. Le statut. Regulation. La réglementation. Treaty. Le traité. Lobby. Le lobby. Embassy. L'ambassade. Judiciary. Le pouvoir judiciaire. That is the second set. Please feel free to rewind and revise as required. Now let's move on to the sentences.
La loi protège les citoyens.
The law protects citizens.
La loi protège les citoyens.
The law protects citizens.
Le juge a rendu sa décision.
The judge made his decision.
Le juge a rendu sa décision.
The judge made his decision.
L'avocat défend son client.
The lawyer defends his client.
L'avocat défend son client.
The lawyer defends his client.
La police enquête sur le crime.
The police investigate the crime.
La police enquête sur le crime.
The police investigate the crime.
Le gouvernement a adopté une nouvelle loi. The government passed a new law. Le gouvernement a adopté une nouvelle loi. The government passed a new law. La Constitution garantit les droits des citoyens. The Constitution guarantees citizens' rights. La Constitution garantit les droits des citoyens. The Constitution guarantees citizens' rights. Le défendeur a fait appel. The defendant appealed. Le défendeur a fait appel. The defendant appealed. Le plaignant a gagné le procès. The plaintiff won the trial. Le plaignant a gagné le procès. The plaintiff won the trial. L'affidavit a été signé devant un notaire. The affidavit was signed in front of a notary. L'affidavit a été signé devant un notaire. The affidavit was signed in front of a notary. Le verdict a été rendu. The verdict was given. Le verdict a été rendu. The verdict was given.
And with that we conclude this video. Good job on completing this lesson. Excellent work and congratulations. We will meet again in the next video.